this side, the perfect view when we start the show, and the Khalifa is only on this side, not on the other side.
Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm live in Burj Khalifa. Oh my god, look at Burj Khalifa over there. From here we're going to the fountain, water fountain, and I will show you. So welcome to my YouTube channel.
It's nice here, huh?
Yeah, it's beautiful. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you're not new, you're much welcome. And I'm live here. No, stay, where are you going?
Huh?
Okay. It's what time they start? Huh? Half an hour?
Half an hour is fountains, and half an hour is the light show on the Khalifa.
Oh.
When you never see this live, you will be.
Every day they make the lights?
Everything live. Different. Any show is different. Different music, different colors.
Wow guys, look at that. So beautiful. Oh my god. So beautiful. Finally I'm at Dubai water fountain. The dancing water. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Look at that. So beautiful.
You see different type. This is Arabic style. This building is left and right. And behind the tower. And the people can go with the boat here on this road.
Okay. So guys, over there is the Burj Khalifa.
This is opera. This is opera. Later ones. We did it for the fountain.
Huh? So as you can see, everyone here, a lot of people here are waiting for the water fountain to start. Okay.
Most people always here on this bridge. It's a little bit Italian style.
Yeah.
This is the mall.
Which is Dubai Mall?
This is the mall.
Dubai Mall?
Here always a lot of people.
E ela foi, ela fez o Cara, eu levei pode estar aí também, eu quero
इनको तो पता चल जाएगा कि 7 बजे
लाइफ इज
सब वेट कर रहे हैं
होने वाला है, सब लोग खड़े हैं।
मजे लेते हैं
कुछ ना कुछ तो हुआ था,
अब
जो चमका था।
ब्लिंक किया हुआ है वो लाइट ब्लिंक कर रही है बीच में जो लेवल है ना उसमें ऐसे ऐसे दो स्टार्ट होने के पहले ये पहले
Right together, with our together we walk.
So, welcome to Dubai at North View. Everything looking so pretty, so good, so beautiful, as always. Look at those palm trees, they have lightning on it. Let me show you the palm trees. Palm trees with the lightning. Looks so good, like Christmas. Christmas lightning. Palm trees with the lightning, so nice. Let him finish. Well, let him finish.
Yeah,
Wait. They're finished. Hey. Guys, it's a little park here. A little park. Hello, handsome. How are you? You want to say hi? Huh? Little one is playing. Look at him standing. So there's a little park here. As you can see, very beautiful park. Just strolling. So I was showing you the opera. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. That is it. I will find some time and go there to see inside. I actually have not been inside the opera since I was born. But I'll take a time to go there and explore it, the place. See how inside looks like. Okay? So I'm going to sit down here and chill and relax. Okay guys, so I'm going to have a little picnic here all by myself. Sleeping on those grass. Yeah. Oh, little picnic. Don't know if... Let me put the camera down. Ooh, the grass is wet. Okay guys, so how you all doing? I hope you enjoyed this Dubai tour with me. Touring with me the Dubai, the beauty of the Arabs, the Arabs beauty. You know, when I see okay guys, so I hope you like the Dubai tour at night with me. I don't know if you guys like it, but please comment down below in the comment section. I don't know if you can see what I'm sleeping on. I'm sleeping on a mat, okay, on the grass. Little picnic all by myself, enjoying my time alone. being alone sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes you should create that moment, that time all by yourself to just enjoy life. Okay guys, so as I was saying, Dubai is beautiful. Sometimes I just wish Africa is as beauty as this, but you can't compare, right? Because Africa is beautiful on its own the way it is, I think, but I think they should upgrade a little bit. Okay, so thank you.
No people, no stress, not so much, only enjoy the moment. Sleeping giants here, round about, sleeping giants, sleeping cows. Ah, it's amazing.
Loudspeaker. Very loudspeaker.
This is a nice here. The center, you have music, you have show and the complete skyline of this place.
Bravo, bravo,
It's a
bravo.
nice place, huh?
So I hope you guys heard that, the beautiful music behind. Beautiful music with flowing with the water fountain. So amazing. So nice. Beautiful. Okay guys, so I hope you all like the water fountain. You can see a lot of people were waiting for the water show to start. You know, actually they have a section and it continues from 7:30 in the evening till 12. Yeah, so I hope you all like the water show, and if you do like, let me know in the comment section what you think about my videos, and please do consider subscribing if you're new to my channel. And yeah, the food was also good. You know, around the water fountain there is the Burj Khalifa. Around the Burj Khalifa they have a lot of restaurants, very good food. Food is great, everything is good. Oh my god, look at the night view. Night view is so amazing. Oh my god, I wish I have money so I can lodge in the Burj Khalifa. I hope you guys can see the Burj Khalifa here. I hope I don't fall inside the water. Let me show you. The Burj Khalifa is over there, the tallest building. Okay, actually when you want to go up on top of that building, it's not free, you have to pay money. I don't know how much, but I'm going to check online how much you have to pay to get inside. So I think I might go inside one day. Okay, so thank you all for watching my vlogs. Oh, this video is dark. It's dark, but okay. Thank you. See you again in my next vlog. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Okay, bye. Guys, I was about to go, but then I saw this building. You can see this building. I don't know if it's night time. I don't know if you can see it, but let me move a little bit closer so you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but right there, yeah, right there is the old building. This is how Dubai used to be like in those days. This kind of buildings were the kind of buildings they have in those days before they modernized the buildings. Yeah, you're laughing at me, don't mind, my friend is laughing. This building here, this is the old style of Dubai. Yeah, this is how Dubai used to look like. These are old buildings, but they destroyed a lot of it, but they left some for tourist attractions. So when you come to Dubai and you see something like this, it's not new. Okay, they have turned this one to car park where you can park your cars. Okay, so baby, come to Dubai. It's beautiful. Oh my god, I love this country. Like, seriously, it's so beautiful. Look, let me just show you guys around. Look at that. Just look at the night view. Over there is a bus station. Wide and the moon. Wide and the moon. I don't know that. Okay, so welcome to my vlog. You want to say hi? Oh my god, it's fun vlogging in Dubai because everyone wants to say hello, you know. They're so friendly. I love it when I'm vlogging here.
Yeah? This will be nice.
Huh?
Yeah. Follow me. Take a picture of me with the big wings.
Oh my god, guys. Look at the lights. The lights. Wow. So guys, that was the show and I hope you all like it. You can see everyone was waiting for the show to start. You know, it goes on and on and on with different music till 12 o'clock, I think. So that was the first round. Another round is coming. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you like my vlogs, and if you do like, comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. See you in my next vlog. Bye.